Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Country Craft Creations unboxing of this mystery box that they had during the Black Friday sale. So I did pick up the largest mystery box she had available, which is the deluxe mystery box, and it was $75 plus priority shipping. So we're gonna see what's inside here. It is like a heavy box. It looks like it's stuffed. I opened up just this like flap because my address was on it. But I'm gonna open this all up with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. And yeah, so let's get to unboxing. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay guys, so when I open this up, ooh, I see some simple stories. I think I might have this upside down also. Yikes, oh my gosh, it's crashing into everything on my desk. I might just take this out actually. That sounds like a better idea. Oh look, it's nicely packaged in one like big thingamabob here, which that makes it a lot easier actually for me, so that's fantastic. Get rid of all the stuff on the side. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it all out. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of paper in here. Okay, so here we go, guys. First thing, we got the simple vintage farmhouse garden bits and pieces. Ooh, these are gonna look so cute in like a junk journal. I mean, they're just good for other. I was thinking junk journal just from that one piece right there. But actually everything else is just pretty. Family, home, I love those. This could even be Christmas. They're just like a plaid kind of design. But yeah, there's like ticket stubs in here. Home garden, sweet home. Like, that's cute. Nice little like house journal or whatever. You also got the farmhouse garden. So simple vintage farmhouse garden. This is the garden bits. And this one's got some florals. I see some... what is that, a lamp? Not a lamp, oh my gosh, a lamb, a sheep maybe, a cow, some chickens, and just like farm animals. So there's that. Looks like I got the whole collection though. So here is the page pieces gathered together, and that's what they look like. Oh, so this is for like decorating a layout, and there's a train, but I'm gonna keep going through it. So it says gather together. It just kind of shows you how to create this layout here. So you get those pieces. Then there's also this stencil, which is like a beehive kind of stencil, even though it says it's called chicken wire. Oh, I guess it could be like chicken wire. It goes with the with this farm theme. So there's a stencil here. I've never used my stencils before. I have a couple that I've gotten in some boxes, but I've never actually used it. Here is a simple vintage farmhouse garden layered stickers. These have like some dimension added to them. I've never purchased these before, so that's always fun. I'm also seeing the simple vintage farmhouse garden thickers. Well, those are going to be fun to use. I love these. That is so pretty. Happy, the happy's pretty, the home. These are cute. And I'm always looking just for like things like this to add to front covers of my albums. It doesn't necessarily have to be with that collection. I just kind of collect these to use whenever. I also got the chipboard stickers. It looks like I got a whole collection here, so that's fun. I could definitely make tons with this. But this is the chipboard stickers. Just looks like that. Then I'm also seeing the 6x8 paper pad, and then we also got some single sheets. So hold on, let me get to opening this. Okay, so for the 6x8, this says life is better in the country. This is the back side, that chicken wire stencil thing. There's these florals, a plaid, and this design. Actually, you guys could see both designs if I go like this. So this one's got like some images here, like newspaper and stuff. And this says we are grateful. And you can always fussy cut some of these and make this into a pocket. Here you have like a chicken coop. Not a chicken coop, but like a chicken on a barrel. And then more like roosters and farm animals. This is our happy place, and these florals, polka dots, and like a barn and some cows and roosters. This plaid and florals, polka dots, and this says rise and shine. Plaid, and this has like stripes, and that looks like an apple. This has like a, is that like a rooster? Yeah, like a faint rooster in the background. And here's some like 3x4 size cut aparts. Welcome home, bloom and grow, so thankful, and a chicken on a barrel. That chicken wire design, more 3x4, love our family, farm fresh, this like cut apart, and heart and home. Then you've got like this music paper, and then the other side is life is better in the country. Oh, and we saw that. So then it just repeats. So that is the Simple Vintage Farmhouse Garden. And then I also got some 12x12s in the mystery box. So we got some 4x6 cut aparts here. You got some journal cards as well. The back side is this floral. Ooh, I love these. These are like journal cards as well. But I really like this one, even though I would find this really hard to use, like just like that. I'd probably have to fold it in half or something and include it in like a junk journal, but I like it. And I like this like library card here, and they're all like different sizes. And the back side is these florals. Then I also got the music paper. I really did like that one as well, with these cut aparts on the back. These are very vintagey. Oh, I got 2 of those. And then also this one with that black pattern. And this is on the other side. This was not in the 6x8. And I have 2 of those. And then there's this one where you could do fussy cutting here. And the back side. And there's 2 of those as well. There's this floral with like pears and apples growing, and the back side, and there's also 2 of those. There is this one. I think there's also 2 of these. Nope. Wait, nope. There's 1 of these. There's this one. That wasn't in the 6x8 either. And then there's like some solids, which is always nice to have. So I got 2 of those, the green and the yellow. We got some blue and like this coral. 2 of those. And then we got like the light pink, like light peach, I guess, and the darker blue. And we got 2 of those as well. Oh, and we also got a sticker sheet. I guess she kind of like put together like a whole collection kit for you that you could use. So that's always really nice instead of just like random things. Because I don't have this collection otherwise, so if I only had like one thing, it's like, what am I gonna create with this? You know, so that's kind of fun that you get, she paper pieced, I guess, the whole collection. So I'm actually gonna put this aside so I could put this in its own little pouch and everything could stay together. Then I also got this die set here. This is from the Farmhouse Christmas by Carta. And it is like this. Ooh, these are going to be good to do some layering. I love these like little elements that I could cut out for Christmas and use as like decoration behind things. So that's a fun little die. I love that it's not too big, not too small, so that's perfect. I also got a stamp set, and this one says Jingle All the Way. It's from the Jingle All the Way collection by Simple Stories. We got Be Jolly, 'Tis the Season, some gingerbread, woman and man, some Christmas trees, like the bottle brush Christmas trees, a Santa waving, I guess. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I like these string of lights kind of thing. That's fun. May your days be merry and bright. No peeking. Merry Christmas. Good cheer. Christmas. A bell. These poinsettias. You make the holidays sweet. And that's a cute little stamp set. And these aren't big either. But this requires some fussy cutting for sure. Oh, there we go. That's what they look like. That would have been easier to show you guys that way. Okay, so then I also got this doodle bug wreath. So I'll probably just pop this onto a card just to use it up. It's a cardstock sticker. Got some 3x4 cut aparts here. This is from Authentique's collection, and these are fine because you could just add them to whatever. I mean, you guys know I'm not like a vintagey fan, but I do love my cut aparts, so I could always use this, or I could always use the other side for these stripes, which are pretty, but I will probably just cut them up and use them you know, as cut aparts. But I'll probably like use the ones with the words in some other kind of album, and the ones with the images I'll probably just try to create like a vintagey junk journal. I mean, I got tons of plans, but not enough time, so who knows when I will actually get to that. Same thing with this one, or I could always use the back side. Oh, that's pretty. This one also, more 3x4 cut aparts. I love that I get a bunch of cut aparts. And then this is the back side. There's these 3x4 cut aparts. I still believe in Santa Claus. Christmas is not so much about opening presents as opening our hearts. Oh, that's sweet. And then here's the back. And then I got another one of these. Oh, I got 2 more of those. I got another one, and then another 2 of these. Okay, so I got a bunch of cut aparts. Oh, I got a snap flip book. I've never had one of these before. So you could definitely like decorate this and stuff. So these things I could cover this with some paper and then add some cut aparts or whatever. But this is like a cute way to make something quick and easy. But you don't have to just use it just like this. You could add other kind of pages in here throughout and still have some clear sleeves as well. So that would be fun. And this, I think, expands. Does it expand? I mean, I think so. I'm not really sure. But I think as you add more pages, it would expand because there's like nothing binding it here. So you could kind of expand as much as you want. So that's a fun flip book. I'm going to keep that out of the packaging. Oh, is this a whole collection? Wow, okay. I still have the Echo Park Club kit from this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, that's a lot in here. I'm not gonna go through this because I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys this from my club kit, but I do see some stamps in here which I don't think I've had before. So I like the stamps. Create beautiful memories. Life is better in the summer. Choose joy. Smile. I don't remember getting a stencil, but everything else I pretty much got. It's the summer collection by Carta, and I had it in a club kit membership. Then I also got this sticker book. Oh, this isn't going to be hard to use. Yeah. This one's all about adventure. And I like sticker books, but for Christmas, because I do make a ton of Christmas cards. Well, not like a ton, but I will probably be making more, you know, as the years go on. But like, I do find that using Christmas stickers would be a lot easier than using this, which is Outdoor Adventures by Carta. But let's take a peek. So we got like some travel stickers. I mean, these look, just off the top, it looks like this would be fun to make something maybe for a boy, like a boy theme. I don't know if I have this collection, Outdoor Adventures. I know I just got some like Echo Park like outdoorsy collections from that mystery box, or yeah, that mystery box. I might have this collection. I just have to dig through my stash, but yeah, definitely not something I will be using often. Oh, okay, wait a second. I think we just got the whole collection, guys. Yep, I think we did. Okay, so, oh my goodness, Coffee and Friends. Okay, hold on. I have a ton of that collection also, and I have yet to play with it. But here is the Outdoor Adventures. Okay, so I got some dies. Summer Explore Camping Adventure. They're nice and small, which is always good, and you could just add them as decorative elements. We got some 3x4 cut-aparts from the Outdoor Adventures collection. Okay, all right. I see you. I like how she pieced together the collection so that I can use them, because like me just looking at the sticker book, I was like, I don't know what to do with this, but you know what? Now I have a whole collection kit. Ooh, fire time marshmallows. Ooh, yes. Give me the marshmallows and the s'mores. But yeah, this looks like a fun collection for a boy theme. You could even use this just to make some cards. I'll probably, you know, make a folio or an album or something. I'm also thinking like this would be cute for like a Boy Scout. Yeah, so I'm glad I got the whole collection now. Though I doubt I will still use up that entire sticker book with this one collection, because I did also see that there is stickers with this one. The sticker sheet. And then I also got some solids. Oh, thank you so much for also sending some solids. Makes making my folio life easier when I make my waterfalls. And then here is the sticker sheet. So like this would have been enough for me. I didn't need the whole sticker book, but we'll have to make something with it anyway. When, I don't know, but you know, I got options now. I'm gonna stick this all together inside the book, or inside the sleeve. Okay, so that was the Outdoor Adventures. Then I also got Coffee and Friends. I do see that there's ephemera and frames and tags. Lots of paper in there with the Coffee and Friends collection. I'm not going to go into detail because I have shown this on my channel before. I have so much of this. So I guess I really better get crafting with this collection. I love it though. It's such a pretty collection. And then I also got, ooh, what are these? Wooden Shapes by Stamperia. Okay, that's cute. Like you could decorate these. I mean, if I wanted to use the back, I could decorate them, but they're just wooden shapes like this that I could add to some albums. I don't even know what that means. La vida no es perfecta. I guess life is not perfect. Pero puede, I have no idea, ser maravillosa. Protegela a toda costa. I have no idea what the rest of that means. But I think that's what the first part meant, just from bits and pieces that I kind of know. Here's a decoupage sheet. Very like dainty. I don't really know what decoupage is. Is this kind of like vellum? I don't know. How do you use this? Is it more like a napkin? Oh, it's like tissue paper. Okay. Not sure how one could use that, but I guess from me watching junk journaling videos, I guess I would take this and put glue over it and stick it to a project. I don't know. Oh, look, we got some Magical Birthday Girl. I have this collection. So here we got some cut-aparts, 4x6 cut-aparts as well. It's like a Disney theme collection, but for a birthday girl. Okay, so we got some single sheets. Ooh, okay. And we got some of the solids. Oh, that's good. I don't think I had the solids. So that is going to come in handy. Ooh, more of this. Ooh, we got some more. And some more. Oh, okay. We got a ton of this. Looks like we got a whole collection kit worth of this. All right, that's fine. That works. That works for me. Just got to make a lot of projects. And then here is the sticker sheet. So that is everything I got from Country Craft Creations Deluxe Mystery Box from her Black Friday sale. I love how she kind of put collections together so that you can create a ton of different things instead of getting random bits and pieces from a variety of different collections. I feel like I got so much, guys. So that was awesome. Definitely a great price. I know her mystery boxes just like it disappeared so fast. So I'm so happy for her that you know, that people were buying them, because I got one last year also and I loved it. So I definitely wanted to get one this year and I'm happy I got my hands on one. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I shall see you in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.